क्या बनेगा बड़ा होकर वो? कैसे बराबरी कर पाएगा इस दुनिया के साथ? क्या सारी उम्र में उसे घर पे बैठ के खिलाता रहूंगा?
बड़े होकर क्या बनोगे बेटा? हर इंसान अपनी लाइफ में एक ना एक बार ये क्वेश्चन सुनता ही है, लेकिन जब एक्चुअल में एक प्रोफेशन को चूज करने की बारी आती है तो कई सारे फैक्टर्स को मद्देनजर रखना पड़ता है। उनमें से एक बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट फैक्टर है सैलरी। इंडिया में कुछ जॉब्स में सैलरी और अर्निंग अपॉर्चुनिटीज बहुत अच्छी हैं, लेकिन मेन प्रॉब्लम तो ये है कि लोगों को उनके बारे में पता ही नहीं चल पाता। द क्वेश्चन इज कि उन अपॉर्चुनिटीज के बारे में कैसे पता लगाया जाए। डोंट वरी, प्रतीक्षा पांडे नाम है हमारा, और आज हम आपके लिए लेके आए हैं a list of highest paying jobs in India in 2024. And not only that, I have a one-shot solution for you on how you can actually land in these jobs. So let's quickly start today's video. The job opportunity which tops the list in the highest paid jobs in India is of the project manager. The project manager assumes control of the project as per to established plan and also assumes a prominent role throughout all stages of the project management. In India, the salary range of a project manager varies from 4 lakh to 28 lakhs on an average of 12 lakhs per annum. Next in the list of the highest paying jobs in India has to be an AI engineer, an expert who create intelligent softwares that can learn, adjust and get better over time is called an AI engineer, artificial intelligence engineer. The average annual salary of an artificial intelligence engineer in India is 8 lakhs and can go as high as 40 lakhs per annum. Next on the list is data scientist. It is another highest paying jobs in India which provides numerous perks and competitive salary. Rightly termed by LinkedIn as the most promising career. The average annual salary of a data scientist is over 10 lakhs and experienced data scientists can also earn as high as 25 lakhs per annum. In the fourth number, we have machine learning engineers. Machine learning is a branch of artificial intelligence that has gained tremendous prominence across industries. The average annual salary of a machine learning engineer is over 7 lakhs in India. Next up, we have blockchain developers. Blockchain technology is a buzzword that is redefining things like currency transactions, internet connectivity, data handling, as well as data security. The average annual salary of a blockchain developer in India is over 8 lakhs. Then we have full stack software developer. The demand for software developers, including full stack software developers, is skyrocketing high and is also one of the highest paid careers in India. The average annual salary of a full stack software developer is over 9 lakhs. Next, we have the job of a product manager. Product management is emerging as a forefront in Indian industry, hence the next highest paying job. The average salary of a product manager in India is 14 lakhs 40,000. Beginners can earn up to 7 to 8 lakhs per annum and experienced workers can earn up to 17 lakhs to 26 lakhs per annum. Next on the list, we have management consultants. Management consultants help organizations solve problems, boost growth, and enhance performance. The entry-level consultants can earn up to 6 to 7 lakhs per annum, and experienced consultants can earn up to 17 to 26 lakhs per annum. Next on the list, we have a marketing manager. A marketing manager is the one who builds and executes marketing strategies of businesses that will meet the consumer needs and also maximize profits. The average annual salary of a marketing manager in India is over 7 lakh. Next on the list we have is an engineering manager. An engineering manager is someone who manages the engineering teams and projects for the company. The average salary of an engineering manager in India is over 7 lakhs. Next on the list, we have an IT systems manager. IT systems manager is the one who looks after the planning, execution, and maintenance of the organization's information technology systems. The average salary of an IT systems manager in India is over 12 lakhs. Next on the list we have is the data engineer. Data engineer is the one who is responsible for managing, constructing, and upkeeping of the organization's data infrastructure. The average annual salary of a data engineer in India is over 12 lakhs. Next we have is the software architect. A software architect is a person who is responsible for planning and directing the creation of software systems. The average salary of a software architect in India is 25 lakhs and can go as high as 50 lakhs per annum. Next we have is the cloud architect. For a company, designing and implementing cloud-based systems falls under the purview of a cloud architect. The average salary of a cloud architect in India is 21 lakhs per annum and can go as high as 41 lakhs. Lastly, we have business analyst. Business analyst is also one of the highest paying jobs in India. A business analyst analyzes the processes, systems, and models of operation of an organization to determine its performance. In India, the average annual salary of a business analyst is 6.5 lakhs. Now, let's move on to the second part of the video. How you can actually land in those jobs. In today's competitive job market, proficiency in English and a compelling personality are indispensable assets, especially in the realm of high-paying careers. Your one-shot solution to all your problems is Clappingo, because Clappingo not only helps you in the proficiency of English, but also helps you develop your overall personality. Clappingo emphasizes on some very important skills like communication skills, interpersonal skills, public speaking, confidence building, etc. So what are you waiting for? Book a trial session today and start your learning journey with Clappingo. So दोस्तों, आप भी हमें बताइए कि आपका ड्रीम जॉब क्या है in the comment section below. If you enjoyed today's video, please do like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for tuning in. I will see you again with more such informative videos. Till then, bye-bye.